What if I tell you that there's a high yield airdrop that no one is talking about, and influencers have not yet spoken so much about it? Hello guys, I'm Crypto Insider. Welcome back to my channel. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm about to show you how to get in on this airdrop before it's too late. Don't also forget to smash the subscribe button if you are new. If you're watching my videos, thank you. Also share this video to as many social media platforms as possible to enable others cash in on this opportunity. The Telegram airdrops have been frustrating so far, but this is a high value airdrop with reward utility and massive profit potential. So we're talking about the MIDAS RWA app, a real world assets project changing the game. So currently they've secured $45 million in funding with backing from lots of institutions. So this is their site. So the link to this site will be in the description. So you can see backed by the best. You can see block tower framework. If you also with all these ones here too, if you also go down, you can see high quality financial partners. You can see that are being backed by Theta, that's USDT, and BlackRock, one of the very high investors. You can see they're also backed by Goldman Sachs. So institutional grade security, Fireblocks and Kura. So these are those that are backing this project. So you can see that this project has a lot of potential. So this is a big deal because they are tokenizing real world assets such as US Treasury bills and real estate and as much. And investors like us are able to take part of this real world assets tokenization through blockchain. So it's a blockchain powered assets tokenization platform. So actually two ways to cash in on this airdrop. This MIDAS RWA app, it has two ways. That's through a Telegram bot and a website. So in Telegram bot, all you have to do is you just engage with the platform and then you get qualified for this airdrop. So I'll be showing us how to engage with this platform. Then the website, so you just have to stake, connect your wallet, stake, and then you cash in on this project. So I'll be dropping a link to this airdrop in my description. So do well to click, maximize this airdrop, and also share a referral link to others so they can take part in it. So we're going over to their X page. So let's see what they have to say or what is being said about this project. So this is their X page. As you can see, MIDAS reward assets, internet native investing. So they currently have 707,000 followers. This is an internet native investing institutional grade assets built for the open web. So backed by framework, block tower, GSR, is Coinbase Ventures. So this is like an opportunity for us to invest in institutional grade assets. So these institutional assets have been made open. They've been made open source through blockchain. So you're able to invest and cash in on them. So I'll be taking us back to the Telegram bots, after which we'll go over to the website so I can show us how to take part and maximize this airdrop. Stay with me. So this is the MIDAS RWA app. So we'll be opening it. So when you open, to be showing you the daily streak, many times you've opened, that the day streak completes, then how many points for 6 days, 6 taps. So you have to check every day for you to be able to continue with this streak. If you miss it, it's going to reset. So there are several ways for us to cash in on this Telegram bot. It's a tap to earn app. So you tap for it and you can see here, start tapping. This is the points I have currently. Then you can perform tasks, connect your wallets, refer people, and then keep to the daily streak. These are different ways for us to get as much points as possible. So for us to engage, you can see I've registered here. This is the name of my Telegram. This is how many points I have. So the token is GM token. So with time, these tokens will be converted to assets and be sent to our wallets. Then for you to begin to tap, you can say tap the rock and turn it into gold. You can say I have 11 taps left. So how do we get taps? So we get 3 taps basically every day, and then as you keep streaks, the more streaks you keep, the more taps you gain. You can also gain taps by referring people. So let's click on start tapping. So you can only tap 9 times. So let's go. 1. So once you tap up to 8 or 9 times, you can see that it gives you 6, it doubles it and gives you 16 GM rewards. So golden touch your tapping period off. So you can invite a friend for more taps, or you can say I have 11 taps left. So let's try it again. Okay, so this is it. These are my points. So let's wait to finish loading. So another over here, this yielder is still coming soon, so it's not ready yet. So next thing, let's go over to friends. So you can see, go over to here, so you can get 1 tap and 20 GM points for each friend you've invited. So I have 1 invite, so we're going to go ahead to claim this tap and these points. Okay, it's claiming. So for you to it claimed 1 tap. So to invite a friend, just click on this invite a friend and then you can choose to copy the link or send. So another way you can also gain points is by performing tasks. Let's go over to the task session. Yes, there are different tasks: weekly tasks, on-chain tasks, social tasks, friends, farming. So weekly tasks, you just have to check the MIDAS Twitter for the announcements for you to gain this. Then on-chain, connect your wallets. You can use your Ton wallet, BitGet wallet, or most preferably I use my Ton wallet to connect. Then socials, so go ahead to perform all these tasks. I've not done mine, I'll be doing mine very soon. Perform all these tasks on X, on YouTube, on LinkedIn for you to maximize this airdrop. Then also invite friends. Once you invite a friend, you get this. Then farming, once you're able to keep to a 2-day streak, then or earn 100 GM points plus 10 GM, or use the yielder, which is coming out soon. Then we're getting enough points as possible. So I think that's it for the Telegram bot. So we're going over to the website, so I can also show you how you can also get more points from the MIDAS Reward Access project. So bear it in mind that the website you have to stick, it will require funds, but the Telegram bot is completely free. So if you don't have any funds, just like me, you can use Telegram bots. But if you do, let's go over to the website. So this is the MIDAS app or the site. So you'll be seeing the link in my description. So copy it, go over to MySys browser or Kiwi browser or your exchange. So I'm using MetaMask wallet to open this, the MetaMask DApp to open this. So copy the link, paste it here, then connect wallet. So you can also see that these are various assets you can invest in: MBTC, BTC yield strategy, maybe any BTC. So MBasis, and then MTBO, US Treasuries. So you can see that this is actually a high value airdrop. So connect wallet. So you can see we're using MetaMask. So we're already in the MetaMask DApp, so it will be easier. So connect. So we've connected. So let's go over to investing, MTBO, invest. So for this one, these are the networks for you to invest in. Ethereum, if you're going to be investing with Ethereum, use USDT, then Base, which is cheaper, USDC, or the Oasis network. We just have to connect to your email. Then let's check other options. So let's check the MBasis option. If you're going to be investing with the MBasis, you will need USDT on the Ethereum chain or USDC on the Base chain. Then for you to be able to get this, so the minimum for you to do any of this is one USD, one USDC, or one USDT. So, but it's preferable to have more than one so that you'll be able to process, or if there's any network fee, so you can process it quickly. So let's go over to MBTC. MBTC, you have to use wrapped BTC on the Ethereum network or on the Bitcoin network. You submit your email. You can also redeem if you're done staking. If the 7-day annual percentage yield has ended, and then you can also over here at pending, if you have any transaction that has not been processed yet, this is where you see your transaction history. So I think that's it for the site. Therefore, I'll be dropping a link to access this site on my description. So all you just have to do is just connect to your wallet, and then your wallet should have funds, and then you start investing. And you need the minimum of $1.1 or 1.1 Bitcoin or 1.1 Ethereum on either the Ethereum base or Bitcoin network or Oasis network to participate in this. So thank you for staying. Thank you for watching this video. So don't procrastinate. Don't delay. This MIDAS airdrop is very much underfarmed and still undiluted. Join now before it goes too viral. So click the links in my description, tap invite, and be consistent. Don't forget to like this video if you gain value, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share. I also have a Telegram channel where I post more crypto alpha, so do well to join. If you want bigger gains, make use of the website and invest for bigger gains. See you next time.